Yeah. This is vlog number 2. A little bit late on this upload, but we are finally getting around to upload it. This past weekend, I was out with my family. We went to Great Wolf Lodge out in Georgia. It's like an indoor water park. Lots of fun. I've been there 2 times before, or 3 times before, so it's nothing new to me. 5-hour drive there, 5-hour drive back. Spent a night there, night and a half. 2 nights there. All in all, was a good trip. But yeah, now we're back to it. We're back here. We're back on the grind. If you see me looking down, I just have a couple of notes written down on my phone so I can stay on track, because I tend to ramble, because yeah, that's just how I am. Attention span of a 5-year-old. But yeah, this is week number 2 of me uploading to YouTube. I don't know what to make of it. We'll see with time. It's more for my enjoyment to see myself grow, or hopefully grow. Knock on wood. But yeah, we're just keeping on trucking on. That's the best thing we can do. We're trying to stick to a schedule with uploading. I mean, I'm getting a little bit better and a little bit quicker at editing and rearranging stuff. Has taken me some time at the get-go, but I feel like I'm getting there. I'm trying to do some things that are probably over my skill set in the editing department. Yeah, you won't know until you try. As for repairs, we had a couple of game consoles this past week. What's new? We had a couple of game consoles this past week. We had 2 PS5s, an Xbox One S. The Xbox One S had a disk drive issue, and by issue, someone shoved in a Nintendo Switch game cartridge of Mortal Kombat 11, and also a what do you call it? Micro SD card. There we go. Adapter thing that was shoved in there as well. But it ended up destroying their disc, which was like Forza 5 or something. Whatever. Ended up fixing that. The other 2 PS5s were image issues. Got them fixed. Oh, and also I had one of my good friends' PS4. He reached out to me and needed an HDMI fixed on that as well, so we got them fixed up, of course. Wasn't really able to record that much of those repairs because I needed to hurry and get them out. Also had time allocated last week to getting my family's vehicle situation figured out. Right now we still have a Santa Fe and my 2-door Genesis coupe. I think by the end of this week or next week we should have my coupe back up and running. I don't know. I want to keep it, but I know it would be smarter to sell it and get a more family-oriented car. Yeah, we'll cross that road whenever it comes. But yeah, that's as far as repairs. We still have that iPhone 6 Plus. We've been making progress on it, and we have a couple of other. Cool, so I have no idea where that cut off at. I will probably go back and replay it after I talk a little while. Yeah, that completely just derailed my train of thought. A couple of other repairs that I got going on is just some other various laptops. Nothing else that is really too important to mention. And also that PS5 that's coming in for mail-in repair, and that's the first for me. That's huge. Yay. I really think that's all I have for an update. We're still filling out the shop as we go on. I'm currently trying to create more content with automotive stuff. I like cars. I like race cars. I like to go fast. Hence why I have a Genesis coupe. Yeah, we'll probably have more content of that coming up as well as board repairs. I don't know if I'll probably end up just making a separate channel for my personal and really my life outside of my business instead of posting that stuff here. Well, at least that's what I would think would be a good idea. y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. What are your thoughts? Should I go through with that, or should I not? Or should I go about that way or not? Yeah, I don't want to continue on rambling about this video. I tend to do that quite a bit, and these videos end up tend to be 10 to 15 minutes of me just rambling about my life. But yeah, let me know if y'all be interested in me posting content on a second channel about my life outside of the phone mechanic, or if y'all would just rather me upload all of that to this one channel. Yeah, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good rest of your evening, day, night, whatever time it may be for you. And we'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.